Hello again everyone, it's Corey here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2023 Mercedes GLA 250. I'm going to show you how to change these wiper blades. This driver's side is 26 inches. Just got to lift this wiper arm up. And up top here, you want to pull the wiper blade up like this and then grab a hold of this plastic piece and pull it up. And then swing the wiper blade away from the arm and we'll release. Be very careful that this wiper arm doesn't come flying down and potentially crack or chip your windshield. Just be very careful of that. Okay, to reinsert the blade, this is what it looks like. So the top will be this part right here. You can see that? This part is the part that you can see through this hole here. So you take your wiper blade, insert it like this. And once it's in position, push that down like that. It's good to go. Same thing for the other side. And reinstall. Perfect. Okay, last but not least, we have the rear wiper blade to do. This is a 13-inch blade. And the first thing you do is pull this cover back and then lift it up. That allows you to lift the wiper arm up and it'll stay up in that position. And then this wiper blade just simply pops out of the arm. Just pull down with some gentle force. See, that's what it looks like. It just pops right up into place. See, that's what it looks like. That's where it goes, up in there, right there. So you take your new blade and pop it up into position. Just like that. And as soon as it snaps into place, it's good to go. Then you fold this down and put this cover back into resting position like that. That's it. That completes it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That completes the wiper change video. Hit that like button if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.